Hi guys, Mr. Lees here, doing the higher paper from 2021, paper 2, and we're on the very last one, which is question 16, where we have two variables x and y are connected by the equation y is ab to the power of x. The graph of log of y to base 8 against x is a straight line as shown. Find the value of a and b. So we're going to get the equation of this line, assuming it's just a y and an x, and we'll work on that later on. So let's get the equation in terms of y and x. So here we go here. It goes through 0, 2 and 6, 4. So the gradient is 4 take 2 over 6 take 0. That gives you 2 over 6, which is a third. So we have a line, gradient equal to a third, going through 0, 2. I prefer to use y minus b as mx minus a. Regardless, so y minus 2 is a third times x minus 0 there. X minus 0, of course, is just x. So y minus 2 is a third x. So y is a third of x plus 2. There, that's the equation of the line, where it's just a y and an x. Of course, it's not a y, it's a log of y to base 8. So we have to replace that. So the equation of the line we see is actually the log of y to base 8 is a third x plus 2. So under these conditions where you have the log of y to base 8 is something, then y equals 8 to the power of that there. So y is 8 to the power of a third x plus 2 there. So using one of the rules about indices, if you have x to the power of a times x to the power of b, then that is equal to x to the power of a plus b. That works both ways. If you've got x to the power of a plus b, you can separate them up like that, and that is exactly what we're doing here. So we have 8 to the power of a third x plus 2, so that's 8 to the power of a third x, times 8 to the power of 2. 8 to the power of 2, of course, is 64. So we have y equals 64 times 8 to the power of a third x there. Now, what have I done here? Well, again, you might have seen it earlier on. X to the power of a to the power of b is x to the power of ab. And again, that works both ways. X to the power of ab, two things multiplying, is x to the power of a to the power of b here. And that's exactly what we've done here. So we have 8 to the power of a third x is 8 to the power of a third to the power of x there. So 8 to the power of a third is the cube root of 8, which is 2. So we have y is 64 times 2 to the power of x. And there we have it there. So a is 64 and b is 2. And that is your final answer.